Okay, here is another reason to impeach Obama. Obama has taken it upon himself to change the Affordable Care Act, or what is better known as Obamacare, more than 20 times without ever seeking congressional approval. There are all kinds of things and problems wrong with this action, but the main thing here is that President Obama simply does not have the authority to do this. And frankly, what I find hard to understand is why there is no mechanism in government to stop this immediately. This is the clear violation of the Constitution. And I don't care what any other president has done before Obama. Guess who's president right now? Barack Hussein Obama. And he should be impeached for these egregious actions. Hello, Congress. Hello, Congress. Do your job. Impeach Obama now. What are you guys waiting for? Here are just a few of the 28 or so things that Obama could be impeached for, since they are clear violations of the Constitution. Congress, and only Congress has the power to change already implemented law, not the president. Okay, number one, subsidies may flow through federal exchanges. Obama allowed that, and the IRS issued a rule that allows premium assistance tax credits to be available in federal exchanges, although the Obamacare law specified that they would only be available through exchanges established by the state. This is one that's actually before the Supreme Court right now, and if acted upon, and this is not allowed to happen where exchanges are going through where subsidies are going through the federal level instead of through the state level, as is clearly written in the law. If this happens, it could effectively gut Obamacare to the bone. Number two, Obama closed the high-risk pool, this is actually kind of a good thing, but he still does not have the authority to do this. The administration decided to prematurely halt enrollment in transitional federal high-risk pools created by the law, blocking coverage for an estimated 40,000 new applicants, citing a lack of funds. The administration had money from a fund under Secretary Kathleen Sebelius' control to extend the pools, but instead used the money to pay for advertising for Obamacare enrollment and other purposes. Obama can't just reallocate funds so he can have money to pay for advertising Obamacare. Number three, doubling allowed deductibles. Because some group health plans used more than one benefits administrator, plans are allowed now to apply separate patient cost-sharing limits to different services, such as doctor/hospital and prescription drugs, allowing a maximum out-of-pocket costs to be twice as high as the law intended. In other words, there's a deductible for each facet of those things that you have to go through. Next, of course, the employer mandate delay. By an administrative action that is contrary to the clear language in the ACA, Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, the reporting requirements for employers were delayed by 1 year. He did that to try to give favorable positioning to Democrats in the midterm elections. Obviously, it didn't work, but him doing this is still an egregious violation of the law. Oh, and here's another one. Here's a real good one. Number five, self-attestation. What that means is because of the difficulty of verifying income after the previously mentioned employer reporting requirement was delayed, the Obama administration decided it would allow self-attestation. In other words, self-reporting of income by applicants for health insurance in the exchanges. Oh, sure, no fraud was going to happen there, right? Sure, we can just basically trust everyone to attest to their actual income and not deflate it to get more subsidies. And then the last one out of the 28 that I'm going to report on, failure to enforce abortion restrictions. In a GAO, Government Accounting Office report, they found that many exchange insurance plans don't separate charges for abortion service as required by Obamacare. Now, Obama specifically got votes for his plan in Congress by promising the more conservative Democrats this provision would be in the law. It was supposed to be in the law. It actually is in the law. But you know what? This clearly shows how deceptive the Obama regime is and is showing that the administration blatantly is not enforcing the law as they said they would do and gave deals to Democrats to vote on this plan. In 2014, abortions were being financed with taxpayer funds in more than 1,000 exchange plans. Apparently, Obama doesn't understand the Constitution. He doesn't understand that it forbids him from unilaterally making changes to any law implemented by Congress like this. He does not have the power to do this. But unfortunately, our Congress has utterly dropped the ball on this one. That's reason number 2 to impeach Obama.